Question number 10. Okay, in the diagram, A, B, C, D are parallel. So these two are parallel. Okay, if you see this kind of question, basically it's a mathematically similar question. Okay, indirectly, you have, as we know, this angle equal to this angle, and this angle should equal to this because these two are parallel, and then this angle should equal to this. Therefore, you should get two triangle, here A and B, and the other one is bigger triangle X is D and C. So this is 2.7, this is 2, this is 3, this is 7.5. Okay. And the question asks for find the length of BC is here. Okay. So BC basically is equal to BX plus CX. Okay. BX is 2.7 plus CX. Okay, CX, we're going to find CX. Okay, just put here. So CX you over 2.7, the corresponding side should equal to 7.5 over 3. So CX is equal to 7.5 over 3 times 2.7. Calculate, you should get 6.75. Get 6.75. Okay. And you plus, you should get 9.45. Final answer. So do take note, if you have parallel and see there's two triangle, it's very common you have a mathematically similar question. I hope this discussion along with the revision tips and answering strategies will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies and I will see you again in next video.